Tjena din gamla varvsgubbe.
Tjena gubbe! Welcome on board!
Oh, fin båt. I'm sorry I'm late, but I've got the coffee anyway.
Tack så mycket. Skål på dig.
Skål.
All right.
What do you call this place? This is the Oriva
Estuary. Yeah.
Oriva Estuary. Sort of 6:30 in the morning. Are you going to catch any fish?
Oh, visst för fan.
Okay.
Kawai kanske.
Kawaii fisk.
Kawai fisk. Yeah.
Okay.
Och en snapper kanske.
I can see the tide is coming in.
Yeah, yeah.
It's high tide about lunchtime, I think. Så här är storfiskarna. Det här kommer att bli bra, Ricky. Where are we, Ricky?
Maharangi River.
Yeah, and see what anchored here. It's an old America's Cup boat. That's the twin keel boat Team New Zealand had in
San Diego. Yeah.
Someone bought it and made it into, I don't know, what is it? Fishing boat. There's a bird that's moved on board there. It's an oyster catcher, isn't it?
Yeah, it is too. Yeah.
See this guy here, he's made this old America's Cup boat his home. Hello, oyster catcher.
Yeah. Maybe there's a few oysters we can eat off the hull.
They didn't get to the final though. I think
No.
they just
They had a few issues, I think, with the rules. They might have made the rules quite tough for them, and they couldn't. The bowsprit was an issue with those boats,
yeah.
especially when they raced the Italians. Paul Cayard protested, I think, about the bowsprit being illegal on that boat.
Yeah, I think they still got pretty.
They did all right, yeah. And it was
did they maybe get to the final, Louis Vuitton Cup final, or
somewhere in there, yeah.
semi-final anyway?
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah, Kawai. Yeah, nice
That's
little
a
one.
Kawai.
Yeah, yep. Yep, I'll try to get it in. Yep.
Yay!
Is it?
It's got a fish. It's a Kawaii fisk. You beauty. Yeah. I'm happy fisherman now. Hi Ricky. Thanks for bringing me. Look, there's fish all around us. It's just like boiling.
How much money have you got today, Torkel?
What do you mean?
You got to buy. Yeah.
How
That's legal. That's 34 centimeter. I think 25.
okay.
Yeah. So that's good.
So I caught a little snapper. This one is too small, so he needs to go back, Ricky.
Yes. It's undersized. It's under 30 centimeters.
30.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, it's not far off.
Yeah.
It's just like fishing arbora, you know.
Yeah.
You go back, grow, and I'll come back next year. We're back. Gonna eat that tonight?
Gurnard. Kawai. Quite good.
Right.
3 of these. 1 of these.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one especially nice eating.
Yeah.
With an
I
eye.
had a good time, and it was awesome that we caught some fish. There was plenty of fish out there.
And
We
easy-
caught a few snapper too.
Yeah, we caught a bit of everything.